Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook app scrolling problem. If you're experiencing scrolling problems with the Facebook app, here are several steps you can try to fix the issue. First, you need to update the Facebook app. Simply go to your Play Store and look out for the Facebook and make sure you have the latest version of the Facebook app installed on a device. Developers often release updates to address bugs and improve performance. You can also restart the app when you open the Facebook app. Simply close it off, and sometimes simply restarting the app can resolve temporary glitches, or you could simply restart a device. If restarting the app does not work, try restarting your device. This can help refresh the device's system process and clear any temporary issues that may be affecting app performance. And if none of the above steps work, you could simply try uninstalling the Facebook app and reinstalling back again from Google Play Store for Android or the App Store for the iOS. This can sometimes resolve persistent issue with the app performance, and by following this step, you should hopefully be able to resolve the scrolling problem with the Facebook app. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notifications icon for more upcoming uploads.